Hey guys, crazy redneck here. Just out and about, driving the grain truck around. Gonna go load some scrap metal up. That's what I do. It's a pretty old grain truck. Don't know what year, but she's old. Speedometer don't work, so I never know how fast I'm really going, but oh well. As long as I'm under the speed limit, right? My dogs are like, who in the fuck is that? Just sitting there in front of me. Damn it, dog, move out the way. There. Gonna have to make a tight turn here. Steering wheel, let's go. There we go. It's like the side is cutting all over again. Really, dog. Up tip 8. Gonna go up to the junk hill. Unload some wagons full of scrap. I already took in a load and it wasn't much in it. It was about 80 bucks worth. I think the guy said they're just going $1.40 per pound of scrap. Yeah, fun shit. I love this old grain truck. Everything back then was built to last. Old trucks, old farm equipment. Well, John Deere farm equipment anyway. That's all their junk right there. Got to butter in first gear so I can make it up these hills and over these fucking bumps and rocks. Gotta love these big old fucking steering wheels where you can't see shit. Well, I can see. When I was little and I used to drive this fucker, couldn't see a goddamn steering wheel. I had to put all my weight on the fucking steering wheel to turn it. Now I can do it one-handed. It's all our shit. A lot of this stuff is for spare parts, like our 3 plows, our multiple seeders. 2 corn planters, but they're only 4 rows, so we don't use those for parts. Old gleaner, old pull type, we don't use them fuckers. Alright, turn. fuck up. Without killing it. Back up right over to it. Going down. Put her in gear. Shut her off. Parking brake. Gloves. Boom. Yeah, all this equipment. I want that though. I don't know if you can see it, but it's upside down. The 3-point hitch, cultivator, shit like that. And I got all this shit. I got this wagon and that wagon to sort out. The washer and dryer right there. These I want to keep for antiques. There's a lot of antiques here. But basically this was full. Now I'm getting down to the bottom of it. It's just a bunch of old sickle guards and sickle blades, chisels, fence posts, bicycles, old plows or old plow blades. That's all my keep pile. The good scrap metal that I can use for shit, for other projects. So that stuff I don't throw away. I got all my shit in here so far. Got my homemade little guard door here, so scrap metal don't fall out on the way to town. Works really nice. Pop that out where the door used to be, and boom, voila, throw shit on there. Work gloves and shit. Yeah, you got some Maytag. That's an old fucking Maytag right there. You think your new ones are old. That's old. Car wash. Yeah. Old washers. Fun shit. You got the old swather, the old pull type. That's not even that old. My neighbor wants to buy that. He also wants to buy that for spare parts for his cleaner. A lot of history out here. A lot of fucking history. Yeah. I don't even know what this is. I can't even see it through all the thistles and shit. I don't know. Can't see it. Another old swather. Old truck. Old wagon. Not the old plows. Give you a brief walk around here, and I got all that shit to fucking throw. Old farm truck. My dad's old demo derby cars. Old trailer. Yeah. An old sprayer, old silage cutter. Corn pickers. One of the old corn planters. Windrower. Old swather. Horse drawn. That's really old. Old type. That's really, really old. Baler over there. Probably can't see this. Mineral creep eater. Versatile. That trailer's still good. That sprayer. And the beautiful grain truck. Gotta love that. Yeah. In all her sexiness. Good truck. Use it for silage and grain. Sometimes gravel. Sometimes scrap metal. All our cedars, corn planter. Someone coming down the road. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Crazy Redneck signing off. Peace out, YouTube.